Right, here we have my new telephone I found in an antique shop. I went down to the same antique shop I bought this one from, and I found an amazing looking telephone, what we call my collection, a wooden rotary dial telephone working. I had to change the original line call because right there I taped up for safety reasons because it was originally had wires showing, so I converted the telephone. I'm going to keep this in my collection. I'm not going to throw this cord out because this is the original one. And it has a Western, it's not a Western Electric telephone, but it has a Western Electric style transmitter, transmitter ground crystal microphone. Here's the original one. Looks like a Western Electric. Correct me in the video below, in the comments below, if that looks exactly the same as Western Electrics. It's a granule crystal one. If it is granule crystal, I don't know if it is or not. But leave a comment in the video below if it's granule crystal or not, but I don't know if it is or not. It has a normal microphone, same as this one here. I'm not going to do that one once I catch it. But in that one, a similar microphone to that, but 84 dated one. Now I've got 3 rotary telephones in my collection. I converted the telephone, as you can see. I added the modern RJ12 US style plug, because in Australia we have the 610 or the US style adapter, or the 610, such as this one. The reason why I do have an adapter plug for the system or RJ12s and for these, but because the line called AD wire showing, I just changed the line call for fun of this for the heck of it anyway, because I'm not going to throw the line call out. The line call does work, by the way, but it's a bit large. I'm not going to use this one because it can electrocute you. If you have a ring call coming in, don't touch the middle of the phone. It could be electrocuted. That's why I'm not going to use this cord. And I'll let down this. I will show you the date of the phone. Down there, see, it's got the bells. Australian Telecom fingers. No, Telecom Australia. Where's the microphone? Well, I'll do a ring back. I'll do a call out. I'll do a ring call out and ring back. Mark, come here. I'll get them to hold the handset. Well, I'm not going to hold the handset while I dial. Let's hold it about there, because that's where the microphone is. I'll dial my mobile number, the one I used to dial to the test. It might sound a bit buzzy because it's got an old granule crystal microphone in it. I made a mistake with my number, I don't call anyone else, I don't know, but this is my old mobile number. I'm going to tell this again like I did in my last video. This mobile number is not in use anymore. Do it again. Oh. I'll do it again. Mum just moved the microphone on again. Hey, over the camera now. Go to the camera.
I can't see it.
Yeah, it's just there. Over that way. Yeah, probably about there somewhere. Oh. I have not lived this style, by the way. It's actually turning really fast. I haven't got it all in the first place. So. I'll call the operator.
Welcome to the call connection service on 12456. Your call may be monitored and recorded.
I'm not going to let that go through. Now I'm going to do the ring. That was the call connection service, the operator. Well, now I'm using my touch tone. Here it goes. Hang on a sec. Oh yeah, I'll put my fingers on, hang on. Guys, the only problem with these old Australian Telecom phones, all rotary phones are touch pole style. The modern telephones are pole style. They are pole style, and no, the modern telephones are touch tone. The old phones are pole style, so you have to have. I am going to be getting converters for these phones to dial and touch tone, but at the moment the dial and pulse. I'll show you all my telephones are in my collection. 1969 AWA 801. I will show you both. There we go. The PMG 802 976. The Australian Telecom 84 style. But if you like that, leave a comment in the video below if you like the telephone. And I don't know if the Grand Crystal microphone is made by Western Electric or not, but it looks like Western Electric to me. But leave it if you like the video. Leave it in the comment video below if you like my telephone. But that's it.